Today I'm going to be showing you Pentair seal plate. It's kind of what happens after about 15 years and what you have to do to fix it once it starts leaking. So this is the old seal plate. So you'll notice a lot of rusting coming through the ceramic seal there. That's just over time, it just tears it up after a while. And then the biggest problem here, because you can replace that seal, but some of these were so corroded that when you went to unscrew them, they just came off the plastic. So the only thing you can do is replace this whole plate. And they're not super expensive. You can pick these up at your pool supply store and you can get a brand new one. So you're going to want to get one of these with brand new screw holes. And this particular one, I picked up a brand new impeller. So that'll be new. And then what you always want to get is you want to get a go kit. And that's going to replace all the ceramic seals for the pump, and then also the rubber O-rings and the rubber seals and the lid O-ring and all the stuff you need. So one of these, it even comes with a little bit of magic lube, so it's got everything you need to put it all back together. Okay, putting on your impeller, first you bolt this on. You got to bolt on your seal plate right there, nice and snug. And then you're going to have to hold this particular one has an Allen hole back here that you put an Allen wrench in, or you could just stick a screwdriver in there and stop that thing from spinning. And then all you have to do is you just righty-tighty tighten up that impeller. And then when you're done with that, don't forget on the WhisperFlo, you're going to have this reverse thread screw. And that is going to go right into that hole there. And that one's the opposite. So anyway, that's putting on the impeller. Once you get all that stuff tightened up, then the last thing is the diffuser. And then that only fits on one way. You just got to slide it over. It's got two little Allen screws on it you want to tighten up with a little Allen wrench. And once that's tightened up, there's one O-ring that goes on there. It comes in your kit here. See if I can find it over here. Should be this one. All right, boom, just like that. And then that slides right onto your pump. Don't forget your big O-ring. There's an O-ring that goes around here. It's kind of the shape of the seal plate, and it fits right on there. Put some silicone on that, jam it in there, tighten your screws up, and you're good to go.